Good morning, students of class 9. Let's come back to the online classes now. Let's do history. Peasants and farmers. We are doing the peasant and farmers of India who used to grow opium for the British government. But it's a long story about the people who suffered in India because they had to or they were forced to grow opium. Many of them rejected, but they were forced to, and agitation took place, but the agitation was suppressed. They had a miserable life, these people, so they had no other options. Now let's talk about 3.3. How were unwilling cultivators made to produce opium? So in our previous class we have talked about the village headman, the Mahatos. They were the actually agent of the British government. So the British government provided money to the village headman, and the village headman offered loans to the peasants to grow opium. And since the villagers or the peasants or the cultivators were poor, most of them were poor, they had no job, unemployed, and they were very poor. They needed money for their immediate needs. So they readily accepted the offer provided by the village headman. If it was offered by the British government directly, they would have refused. But since the loan was offered by the village headman, the poor peasants accepted the offer, hoping to earn money and pay the loan later. So now let's continue our lesson. Number 1, when the village headman offered a loan to the peasants, cultivators, the peasants and cultivators were tempted. They were tempted to accept the loan because they needed the money for their everyday needs, to grow other crops, to purchase seeds for other crops. So they were tempted to accept, hoping to meet their immediate needs. Immediate needs means in their homes they required money to purchase food, they required money to purchase various seeds, to cultivate their land, to purchase domestic animals, for treatment of the sick people. They needed money. So to meet their immediate needs, they accepted the loan, hoping to meet their immediate needs and pay back the loan later on. When they grow the crops, they can pay back the loan at a later stage. But the loan tied, not lied, it is T-I-E-D, tied, it is the loan tied means connected, linked. The loan tied to the headman. Once the loan is accepted, you are connected with the headman, and through the headman, through him, to the British government. The money offered to the villagers were actually the money given by the British government. So ultimately, indirectly, they were linked to the, connected or tied to the British government. And the headman were the government's agents. Actually, these headmans were the agents. The government paid every month salary to these headmans. They were given facilities for not to pay tax. They were given various facilities so that the village headman can persuade the people to grow opium. The cultivators had to use good land for growing opium. We have learned in our previous class, opium, since it was very delicate, it requires good soil, it requires long hours of caring, and it's very, very delicate, we can say that. So the cultivators had to use good land to grow the opium near the village areas, that has got a good soil, fertile soil. he had no option. He means the cultivator or the peasant had no option of planting the field with good, where there is a good soil near the, around the village the soil was good, and the cultivators had no option to use that land for other crops because it has already been used to grow often. So he had no option of planting the field with a crop of his own choice or sell his produce means the offering, or sell his produce to any other buyers. So he could not sell his produce to other buyers. Why? Because he has already accepted the loan. Now he had to pay the loan, and the headman is waiting to receive the loan or the produce. Therefore, he had to accept the low price offered to them. So therefore, the people had to accept the low price offered to him or offered to them. The problem could have been solved. The problem could have been solved to some extent if the prices of him had been increased or had increased. But the government was not ready to do so. The government was not ready to increase the price of him because they wanted to produce at a cheap rate and sell at a high price, so that the difference is their revenue or the income. So government want to produce of him at a cheap price. The cost of production must be very cheap, British thought. That's why they paid very low. If the government had paid high price of him, all the peasants would have happily accepted, and there would not have been any problem. But the price offered to them was so low that caused the problem. That made the problem. The problem could have been solved had the government increased the prices by increasing the prices of the offering, but the government was not ready to do so. As I have already told you, the government was not ready to increase the price of the offering. So later the peasants refused to accept the loans. In many areas, peasants agitated, peasants revolted, refused, and the Britishers, they brought sepoys and pressurized, beat them, thrashed them, put them behind bars, and they were forced to grow opium. They were forced to accept the loans. In other areas, they refused the loan and they sold their produce to local traders known as paikars. So you can see it depends on the various regions how people reacted. In certain areas people refused and they were forced to. In other areas people refused and they grew opium. In other areas they went to somewhere else and grew, and they sold their product to the local traders were known as paikars. So that was the story, and more are there in our next class. We will continue this lesson. So that's all for today. Stay safe and continue your study at home properly. Many of the students are not going through the online portal, they are just passing the time like that. Time does not wait for you all, you mind it, you know it very well. So they will have a hard time later on otherwise. So that's all for today. That much I can say. They need to study, they need to go through the online portal. Ultimately you have to study, not us. So you have to build your career. You need to have a bright future, and for that we need to invest your time in your studies. Online portal doesn't take a long time. So that's all for today. So I hope you have understood what I've said. So this much for today. We'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you very much.